Today is May the 22nd, and this is the first storm we've gotten since we've been in the house. The carport is underwater, and we haven't seen Danny's car in a while, so I don't know if it has floated away or what. That's our neighbor's yard. I guess that's why they said we had an elevation certificate, because we're just elevated enough not to drown. Okay, there's Danny's car, so it hasn't floated away. But if you'll look and see, the water is ankle deep. And the back of my truck is getting washed. That's great. What's your problem?
I'm glad you got a tank. We need to get out of here.
Danielle, where are we gonna go?
To the rooftop.
To where?
The rooftop.
What is wrong with your crazy Tennessee ass? Y'all don't have storms up there?
Yeah, girl, we got to go.
Go,
They said hotels when we get flooded.
No, go. We're not going to a hotel. Okay, listen. This is what you get for $5,300. You get a beautiful patio that you can watch your yard flood from. Luckily, our pool is up high enough to, I don't know if we have to worry about the water from the back coming into the pool. We may have to worry about the water coming out of the top of the pool. The patio in the middle is dry. The dogs are dry. The hot tub is dry, and there for a while I thought we could get into the hot tub while this was going on, and Danielle doesn't seem to think that that's a good idea. Isn't that great? The door's open on the game room. So I would suppose that this seems to be as bad as a hurricane rainstorm. So I guess that this is a preview of hurricane season.